Hello guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because, as you've seen by the title, you guys already know what time it is. I'm going to be trying out the waveformers on my short 4C hair, and if you're interested then keep on watching. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell to keep up with me. So I bought I bought them from eBay, and I will link my link where I ordered them from in the description box. So I ordered about 4 packs, and as you can see I've already opened this because I'm too curious. I want to know everything, okay? So I bought 4, and hopefully there'll be enough to go on my head. I'm pretty sure there'll be enough. So obviously they come with this these like connectors things that you have to hook together. You just like put it in like that. It's a bit hard. Yeah, you just slide it in. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, I think it's holding on. I think it's holding on. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm using my Super Seed hair oil by Nyla to seal in the moisture. I'll also be using the Twisted Sister Clear and Nourish Hydrating Mousse. This is what I'll be using today as a setting mousse. Okay, so this is my water mix leave-in conditioner, my DIY conditioner that I've made, and I'm going to be using that to spray my hair with some water. My hair is still a little bit damp, but I'm going to, you know, spray some water on there as well. So we're gonna get started. Just make sure that your hair is like detangled already, like properly and thoroughly detangled. I'm just gonna spray my hair with that DIY leave-in conditioner. You can just use water if you want. I just want it to be extra and use a DIY leave-in conditioner. Not to make the hair like super wet, and then I'm using this as my sealant just to make sure that the hair is fully coated and sealed in that moisture. This is the first time I'm using this mousse. I'm gonna create like small sections. You guys pray for me. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, okay? Like, this is some serious business. Okay, so I'm just making sure that my hair is fully detangled, and then I'm just gonna grab some of this mousse that we need to pump like 10 times. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply that to that section. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Grab one of them and grab one of them. Okay, and then you I think you put it through there, as I've seen most YouTubers doing. Okay, so it's like that. And then I think you twist the bottom section, and then you hook it in there. Okay. And then you pull. I can see my hair, it like stops here. Maybe I should have got the shorter ones, but these are fine as well in case my hair grows. So that's the first one done. Let me do another demo for you guys. So some, oh no, oh no. Okay, this is not going well. Why is the mousse not coming out properly? Am I supposed to shake it or something? This is not good. Just gonna apply it to the whole section because a bunch of goo came out. I don't know why they make them like with these different colors. So bright, very bright. But anyway, you put it through there again. You grab your section and twist it. It's a very weird hook, but you put the hair in the hook. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I don't know. Ah. Okay, I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? Guys. Oh no. How did I do it the first time? Okay, not doing it right. Okay. Try again. Okay, this is gonna be a long day. Okay. Hook in there. I think you have to make sure that the stuff is in there properly. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we did it guys, we did it. Right, so I'm just gonna keep going and then I'll let you guys watch. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Enjoy. So I am almost done with this. It's been a struggle, you guys. It's been a struggle, trust me. So obviously I had to like sort of come off camera because it was gonna be a long video if I just stayed struggling. There's been pieces where I've been trying to do like 3 times and it's been a fail. So I've got this section to do, and what I found to be useful, I wanted to share with you. Grabbed all the hooks and then I put the waveformers through to help me go faster instead of having to do it and then pull it through and then do it. So I do it like this and then I'll put them all in and then I'll just go in and just do that. It helps to move things a bit faster. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing right now. Let me just show you again how this is going so far. So with this, like the way it is, like any little mistake that you make, like if the hair doesn't go all into the hook, you're gonna get stuck. And what I found to be helpful as well was to push this thing down, like push the waveformer down and then pull out. That way it works better like that as opposed to like trying to push it like that. I don't know if you get what I mean. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. When I'm done, I'm going to go and sit under a hooded dryer for about maybe, because my hair is not really like wet, it's kind of damp, so I'm just gonna go sit under a hooded dryer for like maybe 30 minutes or so, 30 to 40 minutes, just to make sure that my hair is dry, and then I will come back and share with you guys the results. Voila, we're done, guys. We're done. Should I just stay like this? We're done, and yeah, I'm gonna go sit under a hooded dryer and I'll come back to you guys and show you the results. I'll probably put on some makeup and just look cute or whatever. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so moment of truth. We can finally take this down. I hope they're dry by now, and I went ahead and did my makeup, so I'm gonna take these down and then yeah, let's see what's under there. Hopefully it's dry. Okay, hopefully. So I think you just like pull it out of this thing gently. Okay, guys. Wow. Alright, let's continue. Guys, is this for real? Oh my god. Wow, my hair has never been so stretched. Wow. Okay, sis, I'm gonna continue. Let me continue this. Oh wow, oh my days. I'm literally shook, guys. Wow. I forgot to put like the co-former. I forgot to put the mousse on some of these parts here, but guys, do you see that? Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Hey guys, so I went ahead and sort of didn't really fluff out the hair, but this is the result, you guys. Yeah, and I feel like as the day goes by, the hair will grow, and I mean like in volume wise. But yeah, I'm feeling this, you guys. I'm feeling this. Why did nobody tell me about these waveformers sooner? Wow, like I just love how they stretch out your hair. This is gonna be my new way of stretching hair, and although they're a pain to put on, but the results are definitely worth it, and they're super cheap. They're not that expensive, depending on how many you need. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna include them into my routine of stretching hair, because yeah guys, I am feeling this. Let me know if you're gonna try the co-formers. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, my experience with the waveformers. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.